What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Music Computer Solutions. So Samsung dropped Android 10 on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy Note 10 right before 2020. Now, I've been using this device here after the Android 10 update. Let me give you my thoughts about this device after the Android 10 update. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Whoo! And follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So Samsung have dropped Android 10 on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, One UI 2, right before the new year. And I've been running with it for a little while now in January of 2020. Let me give you my thoughts about this device. All right, guys, so I want to show you some differences between Android 9 that I have on this Galaxy Note and Android 10 that I have on this Galaxy Note. So when you look at it, both of the devices pretty much looks the same. I think a lot of enhancements is under the hood. Now, the dark theme throughout the OS is really good on the Galaxy Note 10 with Android 10. But looking at Android 9, you do see some differences. Okay, so let's go to look at the drop-down menu. When you're looking at the drop-down menu, the only thing that I see that's added is focus mode. That's the only thing that I see that's added to here is focus mode. But the color palette does look a lot different. Let's go into settings. So when you're in your settings, you do see some things that's different. The color palette here is just a little different on the Galaxy Note 10. If you look at wallpaper and themes, now they have it separated. They have wallpaper and themes together here. They got wallpaper, then they have themes here. All right, so you do see some stuff that's different. When you scroll down, you do see the color palette a little different. As you can see, accounts and backup there with the yellow key. You can see accounts and backup there with the purple key. But all this stuff can be changed with theming, but this is all stock. So I just wanted to show you guys that when you look at that advanced feature, now you got digital well-being on the 10 and you don't have digital well-being on the 9. All right, so one of the things that really stands out when you're looking at this is device care. I do see some different stuff there when it comes down to device care. It looks a little more user-friendly. You see, user-friendly compared to Android 9. So that is a good thing. And you can just hit one button for optimize now instead of looking at all these differences there. So it makes it a lot user-friendly here, which is great. So you do see some enhancements with Android 10 compared to Android 9. Now, again, the speed, both of the devices is fast, but obviously the Galaxy Note 10 with all the horsepower that's underneath the hood is a whole lot better than the Galaxy Note 9 with Android 9. So when it all comes down to it, I mean, it's without a doubt, you're going to have a very fast device, but a lot of enhancements and optimizations is going to be under the hood compared to Android 9. Another thing that we all thought that was going to come to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus was an app that's called Director's Cut. We heard rumors about it. We heard that when Android 10 dropped to these devices, for us filmmakers, we're going to have a integrated app that's designed for us filmmakers, and that didn't happen. So hopefully with an update or maybe something in the future, we will get what's called Director's Cut. Now, Director's Cut is going to be a filmmaker's dream, right? It's going to be something that's called manual mode or pro mode that we complained about that One UI took away from the Galaxy devices. It's going to be something that we could take and put it on a tripod and do all our controls, all our manual settings, and everything in between with the camera app, and it's going to be native to the device, which you can use optical image stabilization and everything in between. So we was looking forward to this app or this integration that's called Director's Cut. Maybe Samsung still have some tweaks to do with it, but hopefully that should come to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus very soon. If not, then we talking about another head scratch of why this is going to be the most professional win-all be-all device, but it doesn't have manual controls when it comes down to video recording. So hopefully Samsung will fix that. But overall, going through the OS and opening up apps and doing everything with the Galaxy Note has been fast, it's been efficient, battery life has been very good. I haven't seen any bugs. The UI has been nice and pretty. The color palette has been good. The dark theme going through other apps has been very good with this device. So Samsung just took one UI and just made it so good going into 2 UI with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I just wanted to make this quick video to kind of give you my thoughts about the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, as far as the cameras and everything in between, it's still the same. I haven't seen anything extra besides some quirks here and there. They kind of, they added some stuff down in the drop-down menu, but that's about it. I haven't seen any drastic changes. I haven't seen anything but pure refinement. The color palette has been pretty good, and everything else has been nice with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is a good thing, So look like Samsung is doing their due diligence when it comes down to the Galaxy Note series and updates. They're giving it to you fast and they give it to you bug-free. Now, a lot of y'all guys might hit the comments and say, hey, I've been experiencing some crashes and stuff like that. Usually when I update my device, sometimes you do a factory reset, but I didn't do a factory reset with this one, and I didn't encounter any issues so far with the device. But look, I'm not nitpicky. I didn't go really deep into the device. I just use it as normal, and it's been running fast, efficient, and really good. So 2 UI Android 10 on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus has been fantastic. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and 2 UI Android 10. That's what I'm talking about. Samsung, keep up the good work. Keep on rolling. Keep on doing what you have to do with these devices and make us consumers proud. See you guys on the next video. Peace.